Hi friends, it's Julianne, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to set up the Bissell Featherweight Cordless Vacuum right out of the box. So as you can see, we've got all of our pieces right here. So we've got our upholstery attachment, our crevice tool attachment, our charger, which is super easy. It's just a nice 2-prong outlet, so very, very versatile. And then we've got our canister piece right here, which you can use in handheld form. So if you want to use it in handheld position, you can simply attach one of these little attachments by sliding them right on in, as so. And then you press the power button right here. So very cool. To put it in the upright position, you're going to take out that handheld attachment. You're going to simply unfold this and it's going to click in place. So you simply just pull it out like that. I've already done it, so got a little bit excited. And then you're going to take your little attachment, the canister right here, and you're going to line it up simply just like this. And you'll hear it click in place. So boom, just like that. So that's how you can use it. You can even use it in like upright or in handheld position with a little long extension, so super snazzy. Then you're going to simply take your little floor attachment and you're going to line it up and hear it click in place. Boom, just like that. So that's how easy it is to set up out of the box. And to get into the upright position and like flexible, you can simply just slide it like that. And to turn it on, you're gonna press this power button right here. And it glides so easily over the carpet. And to stand it up, you're simply just gonna press it up and it'll click in place and it stands on its own, which is absolutely awesome. Surprisingly, a lot of cordless vacuums don't stand on their own, so it's really nice that this one does. But yeah, it's super easy, and to get it back into that handheld position, you simply press this button right here and that's how you release it. So super, super snazzy, very, very easy to use. To take out the canister, you simply press this button right here. Boom, and that's how you detach this to get the filter and the canister empty. So very, very easy to use, definitely very powerful, nice and lightweight.